Hello people, I'm glad you made it this far. Welcome to today's video. Today I'll show you how to add doors to the design. First of all, go to the architecture tab. Go on the doors, make the height 2100 mm and the width 900 mm. Go to the workspace and place the doors wherever they are meant to be. Click on those arrows to adjust the swing of the door. If you have not subscribed or liked, kindly do so to see more of these. Now I will have to adjust these walls to make way. I will then take the measurements for the other doors using the measuring tool. Now I'll click on doors. Select a door and edit it. Make the width 700 mm, height 2100 mm. Place them. Measure the large doors. It's 1200 mm roughly. I'll go into doors. Click edit. Go to load to get more options. Select one of my choice. Edit it. Make it 1200 mm by 2100 mm. Then place it. That's all for now. See you in the part 4 of the video where I'll take things further. Have a nice day.